Hello, welcome all. This is our lecture 7, and in this lecture, we will cover the topic ordered list. In the previous lecture, we have cleared our unordered list with its example. Today, we will cover ordered list. As in unordered list, there is no order. We can arrange the elements one after another without any sequence. But if we need a sequence, then we will use ordered list. So let's start ordered list. As you all know, ordered list will start with and maintain a order. And in HTML, the tag which will do this, that is OL tag. That is ordered list tag. That is OL tag. And the list item, the li tag, as same as was in unordered list. This is the example. We will take the tag OL and list item as it is. You can close the li tag or not. It's up to you. If you are not using any attribute with the li, then you will use single li. And if you use any attribute with the li, then you have to close it. This is the output of the previous program. Now, other than unordered list, in ordered list, we have some different types. As in unordered list, we have bulleted list, square, fill round, disk, circle, etc. As same, in ordered list, we have some types, that is one for numerical, first, capital Roman, lower Roman, capital letters or lower letters. We can make the arrangement by using these. Which kind of list we want, we can use that type, that particular type. As we want 1 2 3 type, then we will use 1. This is simply an example, and we have take the capital Roman in this. This is the output of this program. Now, there is another attribute, that is start, and you can see here the start attribute will work only with the numericals. When you will use the type equal to 1, then you can use the start attribute. For others, it will not work. You can use it or you can check it in the labs. Why did it's not used? It's using or not using. Okay, as where we will use the start attribute. We will use the start attribute at place when we need to start our list from a particular number. As when we will use type equal to 1, and the output will come as like this: 1 2 3, as in this. First, second, it will 1 2 3 4. But if we want a series that will start with a particular number, that is from the number 4, from the number of 101, from the number of 110, at any numbers, then for this we will use an attribute, that is start attribute. Just look at this example. Here we will start our series with the number 4. Okay, and the output will be like this. Then the list will be start from that particular number when you will provide to the start attribute. Got it? So let's check it on the live session. Simply see this. This is our code. Come to the output, then check it. This is our output. If we are not using the start attribute, save, then when will we use 10? Check the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is clear? Okay. When we will use simple A, file, save, then come to our output. I think it's not working here. So you can use all these types accordingly. This is all done for this class. Check it and prepare your notes as well.